Are you okay back there? Ay, ito ba yung pinuntahan natin? Ganda. Oh! It's relaxing here, right? Archery!
Nice!
I like that one. Oh, it's nice here. Oh, this one's still closed, right?
Where are we supposed to go?
Walking is good for health. Ito rin yung nilakad namin last time ni Dudo tsaka ni GH. We will order chicken. Let's see if Ashley can walk that far. Right, Ashley?
And survive.
Yeah, and survive.
God, I cannot survive na dito pa lang.
Walking is good for health. Are you okay back there? Malapit na.
I remember there was a dead frog.
Where's mommy?
Where are we supposed to go?
Here. Remember our way, okay? Don't forget. I'm not sure if that is a campsite also. Dyan pa, dun pa tayo. Is he, Kuya Tyler, taller than me? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, because he's there in the middle part. What time is it, Ashley? Tomorrow morning we will go here, okay? Parang sarap naman yan, oh. Yan, oh. Yung mga pagkain nila dyan, oh. That one. Yeah. Kaya atin din to. Alright. Grabe. Malapit na kami. Mas malapit to kumpara sa... Oh, this one's still closed, right? Okay. Oh. Look at them. Kaya pa? Hello. Tyler, do you have vegetables here?
Sana siguro?
Isa? Nung nakaraan ba, madaming fried rice yun?
May rice tayo dun eh.
Ah, okay. You had the fried rice, then...
Cabbage.
I think that's it. Then the chicken. You want drinks, Kuya? What drinks you like? Okay, let's go. And then for the chicken, can they chop? Isang pare. So, 1380. Isang chicken, dalawang fried rice, isang cabbage, naicha, french fries, and latte. Let's explore. Oh, it's nice here. Hey, Kuya, did you say take out the fried rice? The coffee, we eat here in the fries. 1, 2. Alright. I like that lang. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ah!
Can we make it longer?
Oh!
Like that.
Diarrhea! Stop.
Stop. Hindi mo na. Oh, sige nga. Sweetness overload. Yahoo! Yahoo! It's relaxing here, right? I think they're also open tomorrow. So, if we're hungry, we can order another chicken here. Ay, ito ba yung pinuntahan natin? So, usually, pagka mga umaga, marami atang nag-ano dito yung nagmumotor. Tapos dumadaan dito para magkape. Maganda kasi yung view dun sa likod. Ganda dito at pagka sunset, saka sunrise. Last time, Kuya, what time did we go here? Remember? It's already late, right?
Yeah, kinda. 5 ata eh. Pero busog sige nila.
Dun sa baba. Archery!
Ashley dyan, Tyler. Baka matusok ka.
Oh, nice!
Right!
Pag maka-10 ka, ma-shoot mo sa 10, daddy. Baka ma-shoot ka.
I wanna go there.
Ma-shoot ka. Talaga, daddy. Layo. Oh,
Wanna try?
Kuya will
I wanna go there.
Archery with Kuya.
more power.
More power and then...
More here.
No, here.
Here.
You need to
okay?
assist the target. You need to assist the stick here. Yeah, like this one, oh, your hand.
Like
Then this
this?
one is the center.
Okay.
Yeah. Center na. More. Yeah. Mommy's turn. Mommy's good at this. So, magsubra doon na. Ha? Itawan mo lang yung stick ha. Una lang pala yun ha.
The power.
Last one.
Pagod din pala doon.
Ha? Pagod ba? It's fun here. Huwag mo yan kasi yan. The Archer. You wanna try, Ashley? My turn.
Oh, it's the winner.
Okay. Dali lang, huwag si kuya muna. Huwag mo gusto. Whoa! Kuya, hit this one. 7. Try the yellow one. Got his face. Yellow, kuya. Blue one. One more. Nanano ko yung blue, ah. Oh. Blue, red, and white. Try natin yung french fries nila. Actually, is it good? Oh, look at their coffee, ah. Look at that one. Before it's a heart, now it's a circle. Try natin yung french fries nila. Mami, oh.
Mommy's on a diet.
So kung gusto nyo mag-relax, punta kayo dito.
Before they did told us that
That we
we
can
could
play.
just try this, but we're just too busy there.
Okay. Okay, ano to eh. Pure ano to eh.
0 out of
Potato.
10. 0 out of 10.
You keep eating, then you say 0.
I have no food.
8.
Ano yung coffee mo?
Latte.
Potato. Good.
Oh, mami, oh. So maganda dito pagka yun, mga grupo kayo, pamilya kayo, punta kayo dito, mag-relax. Tapos ang maganda dito kasi malapit ang campsite namin. 10 din, no? Mga 10. Nung,
Pakyat. 10 na
oh,
pakyat.
nung nakaraan kasi medyo malayo yung campsite namin doon pa sa baba. Kaya nahirapan kami. Baka mamaya i-share lang namin kung ano yung pangalan ng restaurant. Yeah, it's already dark. We got the chicken. It's already chopped. So, yan yung Chinese name. What's the name of this one? Restaurant? Johao Sanpang. So, ito rin yung fried rice. May ano na kami, ano to? Lunch. Tsaka dinner. Let's go na! Shishe! May beer pala sila dito.
Dalawa lang?
Okay lang. Let's go. What's that?
11
What?
till 8.
You wanna go there? You wanna be a roller coaster?
There.
Here. Papicture lang kami dito. Taiwu. Village Eagle Cliff. Hindi ko alam bakit Village Eagle Cliff eh. So malapit na mag sunset. Ganda. Ganda dun.
to make me smile.